How to reduce video file size without losing the quality. Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reduce the size of your video file without losing the quality. As you can see here, I've got this video here. It's about 40 seconds video. When you look at the size of this video, you can see that it's about 96.56 MB. So it's a small file anyway, but after showing you this, you will see how the size of this video will go down dramatically and the quality remains the same. So if you are a YouTuber or you have any video that its size is large, for instance, so what you need to do is to use the tool I'm going to show you here. The tool is free. You can use it to reduce the size of your video dramatically, and like I said, the size still remains the same. So let's do it. What you need to do is to download this application. This software is called HandBrake. It's a very good software that I've been using for a while, and I thought I should share this with you. So when you download it, you are going to find something like this. That's what it looks like. Just ignore what you're looking at here. This is a video that I added earlier. So you are going to get something similar to this. So all you need to do is to click where it says open source. Now you pick the video you want to compress and open. Now the video loads up here. Go on and click where it says start. As you can see, down on the left hand side, the video is compressing. It's going to take a short period of time, depends on the size of your video, obviously. But this is usually very fast. So I'm going to come back to you as soon as I'm done compressing. As you can see, the video is done compressing. By the way, on the right side, on the right hand side here, you can choose where you want the upload to, where do you want the output to be saved. So I'm going to show you what the size what has become of the size now. Now, this is the one that I just got compressed. I still have the previous one, and I still have the compressed one. So first of all, when you look at it here, you can see that the sizes have changed. So the one that is compressed has now gone down to 65.9. So as you can see, this is a very beautiful software that you can use to compress your files. So go on, download it, use it, and have fun. Thank you for watching. Can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share?